Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize paddle for global SaaS payments and tax handling, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start authorizing paddle for global SaaS payments and tax handling, visit the paddle website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill out the required information, including your email address and password. Verify your email by checking your inbox for a confirmation link. Once verified, log in to your paddle account. Navigate to the dashboard where you will find various settings. Select the Payment Setup option from the menu. Choose your currency settings based on the markets you wish to target. Add your bank account details for payouts. Proceed to the Product Setup section to create your first product. Enter the product name, description, and pricing information. Set the billing frequency according to your subscription model. Enable any additional features you require, such as trials or discounts. Review and save your product settings. Next, access the Tax Compliance section. Select the regions where you need tax handling. Enable automatic tax calculation to streamline your processes. Review paddle's guidelines and regulations for tax compliance in each region. Assign tax rates based on the product you are selling. Once all settings are configured, generate the necessary API keys. Use these API keys in your application to connect with paddle services. Test the integration in your development environment to ensure everything works seamlessly. Once testing is complete, switch to your live environment. Monitor transactions through the paddle dashboard to track performance. Address any issues by consulting paddle's support resources or community forums. Lastly, keep your account settings updated as you expand to new markets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.